Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart DXY US dollar currency index, and during CPI, we saw crazy volatility. We saw a huge candle on DXY. It made a high of 113.888990, and there was a sudden drop, sudden price rejection from above, and after that we saw market coming down. And after making a high of 113.8890, market came down to the level of 112.39 or 40, the support level we have been talking about for the last couple of days. So right now DXY is standing at support now. So during the day market will try to hold the support, but in case of a selling pressure, then obviously DXY will not be able to hold the support, and we may see market going down as well. Okay, if market goes down, okay, if DXY goes down, then the next support will be 111. 111 will be the next support, and if it goes up, if it tries to go up again, then obviously this level will be acting as the resistance again. As a Friday, I think that there will not be much movement in the market. The market may remain like this on, at least during the Asian and the European session. Okay, US session may bring some crazy volatility, I don't know. Okay, so this is the overall condition of DXY. Now let's have a look at a chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD. So first of all, the range is still intact, and the level that we have been talking about, okay, worked out perfectly. Hopefully you made good profit. Okay, so you can see that I have a very fat black line here at the top. So this black line at the top is a resistance for the market, 0.9830 to 0.9840. This is a resistance zone for the market. Why we are considering this as a resistance zone? Because of this previous price rejection from below. Okay, so we are expecting previous support to act as resistance right now. So this is a resistance zone for the market, okay, for today. And at the bottom we have got 0.9630, okay, that we have been talking about for the last couple of days. So 0.9830 is standing at the top as resistance, and 0.9630 is standing at the bottom as support. So this is a range of Euro USD right now. So it's a huge gap of 200 pips. It's not a matter of jokes. Okay, so you can also see that apart from these two levels in the market, I have also drawn few additional lines. So let's try to unfold all these levels one by one. So please watch the video carefully. So if you're busy right now, if you're doing something, then please watch the video when you have time, okay, because it may be a little bit difficult for you to understand if you're new to the market or if you're a beginner. Okay, and before I proceed, I would like to show you the economy calendar. Today we have retail sales coming up, so there may be some volatility, but I think that the volatility, if comes also, then it will hardly last for one candle only. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, so 0.9630 is the support, 0.9830 is the resistance for the market. But before this level, okay, before this support level, you can see that we still have the red line. Okay, red line we have been talking about for the last 3-4 days. Okay, and the level is 0.9670, 0.9665. okay, why we are still considering this level? Because if I take the help of Fibonacci, then I can see that it is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. So see, yesterday market broke the support because there was news. Okay, so today, if without news, okay, let's say retail sales does not have much impact, or market acts normally, behaves normally, in that scenario there is a high chance that market will try to bounce from 0.9670 level. Without news, when market will be performing normally, when there will be normal volatility in the market, high chance of market bouncing from the red line 0.9670, 0.9665 level. Okay, So this is also a support for the market in case market comes down. And if I take you to the 15 minutes time frame, see right now we are in the 15 minutes time frame. See, the overall chart has changed. If we look at the chart right now, okay, we can see a market, bullish market. Okay, so in this scenario, okay, listen to me carefully. See, if I take the help of Fibonacci, then I can see that market is somehow respecting the Fibonacci levels on the 15 minutes time frame. So whatever we are trying to draw here is a valid setup. ये काम कर रहा है. So during the Asian session, during the European session, if market starts falling also, then don't you think we can expect the market to reverse from Fibonacci 38.2? Definitely we can expect. And most importantly, if you look at this level here, then you can see that this was also the resistance previously. So previous resistance right now will be acting as the new support. Okay, plus we have got Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So 0.9740 is also a support for the market. Okay, and the next support is 0.9720, Fibonacci 50% retracement level. So in this market, okay, we have got many support. Yes, the ultimate support is at 0.9630. Okay, but before 9630 also we have few levels in the market that can also work. Okay, if there is not much volatility in the market during the day and under normal circumstances, that's okay. Okay, so first support, okay, especially during the Asian session and the European session, when there is not crazy volatility in the market, जब market में ज़्यादा पागलपन नहीं रहता है, then we can expect the market to reverse from here. Toing. Okay, so when market will first come down to 0.9740, listen to me carefully. When market will first come down to 0.9740, observe the market. If you see the market is trying to take support on the lower time frame, you can go for a buy with proper risk management. But in case market continues the selling pressure and market is forming red candles, then obviously we should not take buy. After all, you are a trader, not a gambler. Okay, so you must observe the market at each and every level and then you should take the decision. Okay, so 0.9740, then 0.9720. Okay, so these two are the levels, and then you have got 0.9770, etc, etc. Okay. So this is the overall scenario of Euro USD right now according to my analysis. I can be wrong as well because no trader is 100% accurate. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Protect your hard-earned money. Okay. And in case market goes up, okay, and if you see market breaking the resistance of 0.9830, okay, do not take a buy position immediately, okay, because overall the picture is not very bullish. Okay, so wait for 4 hours, 5 hours and just see how the market is doing and reacting. If you see market is trading comfortably above 9830 for 4 to 5 hours, then you can think about taking a buy position, but it's better to avoid and for the next week at least. Oh, I have talked a lot. Okay, sorry. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.